Hey there, foodies and flavor fanatics. Today, we're diving fork first into the ultimate culinary debate, fried chicken versus BBQ ribs. That's right, folks, it's crunch time. Or should I say, sauce time? Because we're about to get saucy up in here. Now, let's talk about fried chicken, shall we? This crispy, golden goodness is like a hug for your taste buds. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and also finger-licking good. I mean, who can resist that crunchy exterior that shatters with each bite, revealing the tender, flavorful meat inside? It's a clucking good time, if you ask me. But hold on to your napkins because we're flipping the script to BBQ ribs. These bad boys are the epitome of slow-cooked perfection. The smoke, the char, the fall off the bone tenderness is like a flavor explosion in your mouth. And let's not forget about that sticky, tangy BBQ sauce that's so finger-licking good, you want to dip your whole face in it. So, what's it gonna be, folks? The irresistible crunch of fried chicken or the smoky, saucy goodness of BBQ ribs? It's a tough choice, I know. But hey, why choose when you can have both? That's right, I'm going in for the ultimate taste test. Oh, the things I do for the love of food. But hey, that's the beauty of this delicious debate. There are no losers here, only full bellies and big smiles. So, whether you're team fried chicken or team BBQ ribs, one thing's for sure, we all win when there's good food on the table. Thanks for joining me on this epic food journey, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts. And remember, no matter what you choose, whether it's fried chicken or BBQ ribs, keep on eating, keep on smiling, and keep on spreading the love, one tasty bite at a time. Until next time, stay crispy, stay saucy, and stay delicious. Stay crunchy, stay saucy.
Welcome to Brewed Content with Ms. Coffee. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe today.